What's going on, guys? It's Flaming Games I-Fi here with the very first episode of Let's Play. Wow, okay, right, well, no, I'm gonna be modding Minecraft, so, yeah, let's jump right into it, and let me just, delete. I've previously recorded this, but it completely failed, so you're gonna need three things. You're gonna need, well, four if you want to edit images too. You're gonna need MCP, and, again, the link will be in the description. So what you want to do is you want to go down here to MCP release information and download, and then scroll down to where you see this one right here and click MCP 725. And yep, you're going to download that. Then you're going to go over to here to Rigsumi's mods, or Rigsugami, Risugami, I don't know, is whatever. And you're going to download ModLoader. And here we're going to be using ModLoader for these mods. And then you're going to go over here to Eclipse.org and go right here, get started now. Then you're going to click on this here. Well, not that. You're going to click on your corresponding system. I have a 64-bit, so I'll be running 64-bit or whatever Java you have installed. So I'm going to click on that. And then you would click on this one right here, and it should download. So yeah, now we're going to get into the actual part of Minecraft. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Minecraft, and what you want to clean Minecraft.jar and resources and stuff. So where you're going to go to options, force update, done, log in. I've already force updated, but I'm just going to force update again just to show you guys. And once that is done, force updating, you're going to want to go to your, well, you're going to want to exit out of Minecraft and go to your start menu and click go %app data %, go to the .minecraft folder, and your bin folder should look like that. Your resources folder shouldn't have anything in it, but so yeah, let's just do this. I'm gonna click on bin and resources. What I did is I just cut these out onto my desktop and then just completely redid my resources. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy those and then navigate to your MCP folder. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extract all these to my desktop, and I'm going to create a folder called tutorial. There you go, right there. So yeah, I'm just going to extract all those there, and then there's the folder on my desktop. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into jars, and I'm going to paste the bin and resources folder into here. Now, you want to open up Minecraft.jar with WinRAR or 7-zip, and delete the meta-inf. Not just rename it, just delete it completely. And then we're going to take ModLoader and open that up and extract all these files into there, because we need ModLoader to work with this. So yep, there we go. And well, actually, just to check, make sure we have ModLoader installed, we're gonna just go scroll down to the B, and we should see basemod.class. There it is right there, so I know I have it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to this and click on decompile.bat, and this will take a while. And you shouldn't get any fatal errors. There will be one error, but we don't have to worry about that. So I will be right back with you guys when it's finished. Alright, so once that is finished decompiling, you should see this right here, modified jar detected, unpredictable results, but just ignore that. You should see errors found 1 out of 1. Don't worry about that. And then you'll see missing server.jar file aborting. That's not a problem. And just wait until it says press any key to continue and just press enter. So that will be that, and then we're all pretty much set. So what you're going to do now is you're going to launch Eclipse, and while I'm waiting, I'm just going to launch GIMP so we can get started on making the images for it, and we'll be making our very first sword in this mod. And sorry about that, I'm pretty tired right now, I don't know why. And just wait for that to respawn. Yeah, that should be, it shouldn't be not responding. Come on, hurry up. Alright, so yeah, now you'll see here, that's GIMP. Why? Okay, yeah. This will come up, and what you're going to have to go to first is you're going to go to File, Switch Workspace, then go to Other. And now you're going to have to navigate to your Eclipse folder inside the tutorial folder. Mine is at the desktop, so yeah, just navigate to your Eclipse, and now Eclipse will reboot, and we'll be all ready. So, yeah, you can probably see once this gets booted back up. Yep, there we go. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go into Client, Source, src, net.minecraft.source, and then you should see all these files pop up right here. These are all the files we'll be modifying. But first, let's just go off with this. We'll go to New, Class, and then call it mod underscore whatever you want. So I'm just going to make mine mod underscore tutorial, and just click finish, and then that should come up. You should see it right here. So, and then we're going to just add to here public class mod tutorial. We're just going to add extends base mod. And you should be, well, that's not going to do that. I'm going to go grab all the code and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you get this all working, or get this all code in, this is what you'll need right here. And this is the base of the code. So what you're going to do is I'm actually just going to reformat that like that. And there we go. So, now what we want to do is we want to go up to above public void load. You can't do this in the public void load. And we want to do, see, we're going to be making a sword. So we're going to be doing public static final item, and then just call this whatever you want. I'm going to call mine gravel sword. Alright. Then you're going to do space equals space new item. We're going to make ours an item sword. So we're going to do item sword. And then let's put in here, let's make the item ID 2080. Start off at 2080. And then write enum tool material dot, let's make ours tut, all caps. We want them all caps. Then at the end you're going to do dot set item name, and then just in here put whatever those things are called, quotation marks, and then you're going to just type anything. I'll just name mine grav sword. That's not really anything. I guess on, like, if you're a server and you did /give, although that, I don't know, if you still down like a bucket and whatnot, I don't know. But so here we go. We're gonna actually implement this in, so that way it's different. So you're gonna want to go over here and find enum tool material, and for me it's right down here, and you're gonna open that up and just basically copy one of these. I'm gonna copy wood, and then just enter it anywhere and change wood to tut or whatever you called it in your whatchamacallit. So yeah, I'm gonna add it so I have 29 uses. I'm not gonna modify much of these, but 0 is how fast, like, it'll break cobwebs because you're a sword. These are the amount of uses, the 29. Or wait a minute. Oh, no. Okay. This is like, if this is how fast it breaks cobwebs. This here is like diamond that's the harvest level. I'm trying to think here. That is however much like diamond can only break or only diamond can break pickaxe, or whatchamacallit, obsidian. Okay, yeah. Can't get the thought out of my mind. I'm trying to listen to something in the background, but can't hear it quite. Then this number here is how much damage it'll do. I think that is however many half a hearts or something. I don't know, but it says 0. Oh well. And then this is the enchantability. I'm gonna change that to 14, and then just save that. Control S to save, and this here should be all set. So what we're gonna do now is in the public void load method, we're just gonna do not ModLoader. We're gonna do gravel sword dot icon index space equals space ModLoader dot add override. Oops. What am I hitting? Okay, let me just take this out. If you just type dot, you can see all these things. And right here, you can put 2 quotation marks and do /GUI/items dot PNG. And in there, you got all that set. And then in here, you're going to put quotation marks and do /items/ let's do gsword dot PNG. You can change that to really anything you want. So, and then just bracket that off. Alright, now what we want to do is we want to go ModLoader. Make sure you capitalize the L too. Dot add name, or add item name. I'm not quite sure what it is. Yeah, here it is right here. Dot add name. Let me just delete all this out of here. Then put in gravel sword, whatever you called your item. Then comma space. And then let's call it whatever it'll be in the game. So gravel sword in parentheses, right? Just like that. And there you go. So now here I am going to just put down. We're gonna make the recipe for it. So you're gonna do ModLoader dot add recipe, which you will see down here. And then right here we'll put gravel sword. And then here, new item stack, bracket, then I think open bracket, and there we go. So then we'll do this right here, space, comma, space, comma, space, comma, and I think that is. And then we'll do character dot value of, which will be down here, dot value of. Then in here you want to put the apostrophe, and in here we'll do let's see, let's just make X. This right here will be the crafting recipe, so you want to make them usually capitals. Character value of X. Wait, let me just check my other thing here. So yeah, that looks about right. Wow, okay, never mind. New object. Wait, what? Yeah, new okay, yeah. Wow. Alright, so I really got this screwed up. We want to do this right here. New object. And then you're going to put in parentheses, you're going to put, let's do gravel sword, comma, 1. So you get about 1 out of these. And then, let me just check this again. Yeah, okay. And then you're going to type new, wait, what? No, okay. Over here will be new object. Sorry if this is confusing you. Then this here will be item stack. That's what this is. Item stack. There we go. Okay, so now they got that straightened out. Character of value X. We'll make this item dot, or no, block, because we want block dot gravel, and then just comma that, and we can just copy this right here and paste that down there, and we're just gonna do character of value I and do item dot stick. Item dot stick. Alright, now one thing to keep in mind of, if you want to have this as your item, like say you create an item, you would want to do let's say say I wanted to create a stick. I would just basically do this item gravel stick. I'm gonna create a obsidian stick. Obsidian stick. New item stick. And then or just create your item. I'll teach you guys how to do that next episode, or I'll create food next episode. And so yeah, basically here you just do say I wanted to craft something out of my gravel sword. I would do mod underscore tutorial dot and then whatever item you wanted. So yeah, item dot stick. Alright, so yeah, let's just save that. And now, before you do anything, you have to create your images. So I'm just gonna open up the items folder that is provided by Minecraft, and sorry, I was just listening to a noise in the background, and just basically take out this image right here. I'm just gonna crop it down to 16 by 16 pixels. It has to be 16 by 16. That is key, because anything other than 16 by 16 won't show up in the game, right? So alright, now I'm gonna go to color, not color balance. I'm gonna go to hue saturation, and wait a minute, I'm just gonna go to colorize, and I'll make it all brown or gray. I'll make it all gray. So yeah, there we go. And I'm just gonna export that to my this folder, and in here in bin, when we go into bin, you want to create a folder called items, and inside the items folder I will save this as G-Sword, because that's what I called it. G-Sword, not swords, just G-Sword, and then export that. So yeah, that'll be how we create the image, and this will eventually do that. Okay, now we can all test it out. Go up here to the top where you see this run button, and you want to click that, and it should, yep, okay, it ran without any errors. So we're gonna create a new world, just call it really anything, and do this. So now make sure you allow cheats, because you will want to just go back through and get all that set up. So I'm just going to adjust the settings so that way it runs less laggy, because I am recording. So well, look at that, we got a cave. Okay, so yeah, we want to go game mode 1, and we should be able to find in here. There it is right there, the gravel sword. So now, how we craft it, we have to make sure we got the crafting recipe all set up. So we want the 1 stick and 2 gravel and a crafting table. So just want to place that down and put in, there we have it. Although, however, there is a way to get it so you can do that too, but for some reason you just have to add them all manually, maybe, I don't know, but that would be a pain. So yeah, there we go, we got that. Now the gravel sword is all in, and you guys can mess around with making new swords. And so yeah, we got that all set up. Now while I'm at it, I'm just gonna add in a colored name for this. Let's just make it this right here. If you just add this to the front of that, you could just play around with those. I'm just gonna make it 4, and now if you just add that into the game, it's just common hex. If you just add that and then go into New World, I don't know why the GUI is so small. You can see that now. Oh, look at that, it's red. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, look at that, it's red now. So yeah, you can just basically fool around with those colors. I could just change it to C, and I think it will be green. I will put all the color codes in the description, so that way you guys can see them. Nope, now it's like pink. So, yep, you can just fool around with those, or just look in the description for the color that you want. There are many colors. So, yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, just please rate, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe for more content like this. My next episode will be adding food item to the game, and so yeah, we got that. So yeah, please rate, like, and subscribe. I already went through this. So yeah, peace off. Take care.
Love you.